Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support, and to my new audience, thank you for stopping by. In this channel, Unyistitches, we post videos on sewing tutorials, pattern drafting, styles, sewing techniques, and sewing tips. So in today's tutorial, we want to learn how to cut and sew handkerchief skirt. Without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the tutorial. What we need here is our material. This is the material that I'm using. Then our tape, tailor's chalk, and my scissors. And the measurement needed is the skirt length and the waist measurement. But for this tutorial, I'm going to make use of only my hip measurement because I'm using an elastic for the waistband, so I'm making use of my hip measurement. But if you are going to put zipper, then you can make use of your waist measurement instead of hip measurement. So I folded my fabric into two, then fold again, making it four. Can you see? So coming here, I will take my hip measurement. You can check a detailed video on how to find the radius of your circle skirt. I have that on my channel. I'll drop the link on the description box. So I will find my radius. If you are using your waist measurement, divide your waist measurement. Measure around your waist, whatever measurement you have, you divide it by 6.28. So I will take my own measurement. So I'll measure it around. The measurement for my skirt, the length, I want to make use of 22 inches when I minus 2 inches waistband. So what I will have here will be 20 inches. So 20 inches plus this 6.5, that's 26.5. Then I will go to the down part and measure the same. And 6.5. So I'm looking into 22.5. Then my joining allowance to the waistband, making use of half of an inch. Can you see I'm marking it upward? If I mark downward, it should be bigger than what I needed. So we need to mark it upward. So now I've got cutting on the allowance. So this is the strap I'm using for the waistband. Measure around the waist. Can you see? Measure around the waist. Then you cut your material based on the measurement you have. So I will attach my waistband now. Then I will fold it in. Can you see? I've left a space that I will pass my elastic. This is my elastic. My elastic is 31 inches against my 35 inches waist measurement. So I have installed my waistband. Can you see? So now I will go ahead and fold the down part. I folded the down part. So the next thing is for me to go to my ironing board and iron the hem. So this is the final outcome of our handkerchief skirt. Can you see it? So beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new sewing tutorial, you'll be the first to be notified. See you on our next tutorial. Bye bye.